And with what's happening in Orlando, we don't even know how Dwight Howard is going to play. And a foul on DeMarcus.
That's his fifth.
I'm not sure why DeMarcus is arguing so vociferously on plays where he hits his opponent. Just go right through him. He's got both hands, and he puts his hand out there and slap a guy across the face. That's against the rules.
Oh, man. And now the official steps in between them and says enough.
Respect for the opponent, respect for the game.
84-80.
Clippers with the ball inside, ripped away by Isaiah Thomas, and then everybody off to the races. And then with the beautiful back cut,